Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to record Roblox with your OBS studio and provide full guide. So simply at first open your OBS studio, then you get this interface. At first need to set up some settings. So go to your settings, go to output and select 8000 kbps 160 software, select the save location, browser to select save location. Okay, same. Okay, overall setup this. Go to audio section, all same to same, just change this. Video section to change video frame size, and just select this. Okay, and select the 60 fps, or if you want to change this 30, I'm recommend to select 60 fps. Press on to start recording. If you want to use shortcut key, I'm just use shortcut key my F11 button to start recording and stop recording. Press on OK. Now overall setup, and open your Roblox. At first play a game, open OBS studio again, click on to plus option to select game capture or display capture. I'm just select to display capture. Press on right mark, make sure to right mark, create, press on OK. Select automatic, press on to select this. OK, and hit the OK button. Okay, alright, and you just play Roblox and press on to start recording. Okay, now start recording this game. Okay, when complete, open OBS studio again to stop recording, and now automatically save this record in my download folder. So as you can see, now successfully record this game in my download folder. Okay, so that's it.